In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the battery in your Subaru Legacy key fob. This particular device was used between 2006 and 2008, and it takes just one of these CR1620 batteries to run. If you don't know where to get this battery, you can actually pick one up online. So I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. It's probably the lowest price out there, and you don't have to go shopping around, so it's pretty convenient. The only other things you will need is a regular old flathead screwdriver, and you will need a smaller Phillips head screwdriver, one that is the right size to remove this screw. So I will be using a rather small precision screwdriver. If you do not have a Phillips head small enough to remove this screw, I would recommend something like this. This is just a little pack of precision screwdrivers. You have your Phillips head and flathead of different sizes. This is also just a couple of bucks, and I will put a link down in the description to get it on Amazon if you're interested. And once you have everything you need, you can just follow along here. So what we're gonna do is just remove that small screw to start. And just remove that, set it to the side. You don't wanna lose it. And you can probably just pull this apart with your fingers, but if it's been many years, if it's a little bit old, it can be kind of gunked up or stuck there. So what I like to do is just take the flathead screwdriver and push in till there's like a little space between the battery and the plastic there. If you just kind of put the corner of your tool in there and just push and wiggle, you will get under there and just be able to lift this piece off very easily. Now set the back to the side. And inside we have this little component that we will be removing. So you can just kind of knock it out, push on the buttons on the front. If you would like, just to loosen it to get this part out, you can now set this to the side. And we will just be opening this up by targeting the bottom here with our flathead screwdriver. And you can see there's this little kind of latch that's holding it into place. I'm going to go under it and just kind of push and wiggle like that until we can remove these. Now set this aside. You don't want this rubber component coming out. Your buttons will fall out. So just kind of keep this nice and together. Set that to the side. And now we can turn our attention here to the battery. Again, with the corner of our flathead screwdriver, I'm just going to come in from the top and just get under the battery with the corner and lift it up. Just very gently, the battery will pop out. Just need to lift it up. The little prying motion. Here is our 1620 battery. Again, if you don't know where to pick this up, I will leave a link down in the description for you to get one for just a couple bucks. And once you have a new one, make sure you are putting the positive side face down. Yes, positive side facing down. Click it into place just like that. And now we can just carefully start to reassemble the device. So click this part back together so that it's locked and secure. Set this back inside. Push it all the way down. And now we can set the back onto place. And when you're doing this, you actually, where the key ring is here, you actually want to connect that first. There's kind of a little latch on the top. So you get that and then push down. If you go from the bottom first, this part will not close. So make sure you are hooking onto this little latch right there and then pushing down. And the last step, of course, is to put our small screw back in there and just twist it to a finger tightness. I'd say you don't need to screw it too tight, just enough to hold this thing together nicely like that. And there we go, all our buttons are working, we have a new battery in there, and we are good to go. So if that video helped you out, feel free to let me know down in the comments section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing a battery in any of your key fobs, no matter the make or model, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.